This initiative has started in 2018 when UNODC has started receiving a request for technical assistance in the region to identify and share common challenges and also good practices for PV practitioners in the region in order for them to develop effective national framework to prevent and counter violent extremism. National PV practitioners also requested UNODC to assist them to improve the multi-agency coordination and also to develop effective partnership with non-security sector, in particular civil society organizations and a local community.
South Asian countries are similar in many aspects, like the political climate, social values, and cultural practices. We also have similar problems. The extremism that is running through our social web is also similar in nature.
We need to really invest considerable resources in creating social resilience through addressing the emotional or psychological vulnerabilities.
Violent extremism is not localized. It is spread all over the world. Therefore, it is important to have a regional network.
No region is immune to the spread of violent extremism.
We are in great need of a collaboration and effective regional PV network to overcome this problem.
The idea to develop a network for PV practitioners in the region was immediately and strongly supported by national authorities in both South and Southeast Asia. And the UNODC has hosted already a series of meetings to discuss and materialize the network in both regions.
Now we see with the formation of the regional network, more and more organizations coming together, working together in this important area.
Regional network is a necessity in order to share experiences, insights, wisdom, and certainly evidence-based resources.
Such a network proposed by the UNODC will help to create a database of practitioners, develop a resource pool that can help with training on the subject, and we can share our experiences, our good practices, case studies.
I hope to exchange my views with my counterparts in other countries about different aspects of violent extremism.
Forming a South Asian PV network can help us to fill the gap of information on what's happening in each of our countries and in the regional level in terms of diagnostic analysis and current or pre-planned PV activities.
Youth and civil society organizations together would play the most important pivotal part in preventing violent extremism. To have different alternative narratives to raise awareness within the society or the communities that the civil society or the youth are living in will be the most important tools that we could get out from them, or we could work together with them.
A regional network should be set up with a multidisciplinary approach encompassing prevention, detection, investigation, arrest, and prosecution.
We also need to include independent experts as well as representatives from NGOs, CBOs for more effective regional level consultations.
The social ownership and the community ownership must be ensured when we create some sort of regional PVE network.
We need to speed the process of establishment of PVE network by sharing knowledge and other available resources among fellow countries.
I believe that a cross-section of professionals and multidisciplinary teams working together is something that we would see developing and coming out of such a regional network.
If there is a PV network for South Asian countries, I strongly believe that such network will have the potential to be a very strong tool that can help us prepare better to meet our future challenges in terms of not only violent extremism but also other multiple crises that may stem from violent extremism.
The platform should be able to make a bridge between the gaps and the solutions, and perhaps the capabilities and the resources.